Cebu once again for our fourth year and to share this important moment with all of you. Nalipay kaayo kami mga makauban mo karon. We are truly grateful to celebrate this milestone together with our media friends, tourism partners, sponsors, and exhibitors. As we begin the journey toward World Travel Expo Year 10 in our fourth installment here in Cebu, we are reminded of the reason why this gathering continues to be meaningful. At its heart, the World Travel Expo has always been about people. It is about the destination that inspire us, the communities that welcome travelers, and the individuals who work behind every experience that makes a journey memorable. For 10 years, we have been fortunate to witness how travel creates connection. A simple conversation can open a new opportunity. A shared story can inspire someone to explore a new place. A partnership can help strengthen the tourism community. This year's theme, Extraordinary Journeys, Exceptional Memories, reflects this very idea. The true value of travel is not only found in the places we visit, but in the moment we create and the relationship we build along the way.
I am truly honored to be here to share to you in this rainy afternoon the message of our dear OIC Regional Director Jelina Asis Lipas. When we speak about extraordinary journeys, we often imagine beautiful destinations, exciting adventures, and unforgettable experiences. But in tourism, we have learned something simple. A journey becomes extraordinary when it creates opportunities for people. Extraordinary memory is not only what a visitor takes home, it is also what tourism leaves behind. A livelihood sustained, a small business supported, a culture preserved, a community strengthened, or a young person inspired to build a future in their hometown. That is why extraordinary journeys, extraordinary memories resonates deeply with the Department of Tourism Region 7. For us, tourism is not simply about promoting destinations, it is about creating opportunities. And creating opportunities means understanding how today's travelers discover places. They no longer rely on brochures or traditional advertising. They discover destinations through social media, videos, recommendations, and online communities they trust.
Experience, a connection, and a story they can bring home with them. And that is what makes Golden Prince Hotel and Suites different. Our hospitality does not end at our doors. Dinhi sa Golden Prince, we connect Cebuano hospitality with local products, agriculture, education, businesses, and communities, creating an ecosystem where every guest experience supports something bigger. So today, we invite you to look beyond the hotel and discover what happens when hospitality connects, creates, and gives back.
Within the city of Cebu, in Ayala Center, it's really very close to our local Cebu communities. We know that the hotel is about an hour away from the city, and we want to get closer to our Cebu community. I just want to make it short in terms of an overview of the hotel. I would just like to let you know that we are proud to say that we have been awarded as top 2 hotel spa in travel and leisure. That's our Chi Spa. And also one of the top 5 beach and island resorts in the Philippines. We would also like to note that we were just nominated for the World Class Awards, World Philippine Best Resorts, and also for the best spa in the Philippines. So you can vote for us as well. So it's in our social media. So the voting is until I think August 7th. So please vote for Sharina Mactan. And we are, honored to be representing Cebu as a destination. For the WTE on August 14 to 16, again, we will still going to be offering our varieties of accommodation at a very, very special offer and rate. So that's about 30% or even 40% of our bar. It will be available as a book and buy offer, wherein if they already have their dates and they wanted to book already, yes, that will be available during the sale. And we will also be selling vouchers if they don't have yet the dates until March 31, 2027. They can definitely avail that during the World Travel Expo. On top of that, additional experiences that you can avail and buy during the sale. We have the G-Spa. We have our resort membership. We also have our special dining offers for our Thais. And we all know that the Mid-Autumn Festival is coming in. It's going to be in September. Sharila Mactan has started to offer or sell our mooncakes. So it's available in our Sharila boutique. So starting August 1. And we will also offer this during the World Travel Expo. And our booth is somewhere in the middle. We chose a bigger booth so that there will be more space for our guests to be able for them to, for our colleagues to interact with them and assist them in purchasing the vouchers or booking the rooms and other offers for us.
Very excited to share Cebu Safari and Adventure Park that has to offer. So currently, we're offering room accommodations or room vouchers up to 60%. Cebu Safari is not just a tourist destination, but it's a unique destination. It's not just about the zoo, but you get to experience what's in the wildlife experience. So we are proud as one of our official member of Southeast Asian Zoos and Aquariums. Being part of this regional community reflects our commitment to continuously upholding professional standards in wildlife care.
Exploring the very vibrant city of Cebu, immersing yourself in the rich heritage and culinary delights of Iloilo, or unwinding amidst the breathtaking beaches and natural wonders of Palawan. Marriott Bonvoy lets you enjoy exclusive member rates, especially in World Travel Expo. And then we also let you enjoy a reimagined Marriott Bonvoy program. So Marriott Bonvoy lets you enjoy properties from the heart of Cebu by Fairfield Bay Marriott Cebu Mandalo City, Fairfield Bay Marriott Cebu Mactan, and Sheraton Cebu Mactan Resort.
Premier 5-star beachfront resort in Mactan, Cebu. And we are offering a perfect blend of luxury, adventure, and family fun. Featuring world-class accommodations, a thrilling water park, diverse dining options, exciting recreational activities, and exceptional venues for events and celebrations.
Agency sometime in 2011, And we grew, of course, as the tourism industry as well grew with the interest of many travelers. And we had our office in 2017 in Orhilio, and of course, during pandemic, everyone in the travel industry seems to have stopped or paused for a while. And with that, we came back with the strong competition in the travel industry, offering more services. So speaking of services, of course, we offer with our Cebu tours, since we have our own transportation company that we incorporate with our agency. And of course, we have domestic tours, Boracay, El Nidos, Siargao, Siquijor, and Bohol, of course. So it's just our neighboring province. And aside from that, we also have international tours or offerings. So it is very impressive to see a lot of China tours, Korea, and not to mention Japan. So mentioning just the three of the highlights from our agency, which we will be offering during the August 14 to 16 World Travel Expo, is we already incorporate the visa services for these countries. Maybe because we are also accredited to most visa consulars here in Cebu. We are accredited with the Cebu Korea Consulate, so we can definitely endorse visa. But of course, being accredited for Japan as well, with the BFS Cebu, China Consular Office, and even the Schengen countries for Europe, Spain for Belize, and Australia and New Zealand. Mostly of the international countries that requires visa, JAR Travelers Group offers services to that, as we are one of their accredited. And traveling to these countries will make it less hassle for you, because you don't need to go somewhere else to look for visa services. We already have it incorporated. We are having it part of our services, and being an experienced travel agent and in the industry for a while, definitely we will give you the best of our services and less hassle.
Taiwan, around 60 years already in the aviation industry, and been flying for Manila for about 50 years already. But here in Cebu, we have just started. We are very, very young here in Cebu. We have started around 3 years ago pa. Running for 4 years already this year. Then we are a 4-star airline awarded by Skytrax. And we have the service of around 186 destinations over 29 countries already. So we are also one of the youngest fleet in the world. So here in Cebu, we have Cebu out, we have Manila out. Particularly for Cebu, we have Cebu to Taiwan, Taiwan to the world. So what I mean by Taiwan to the world is we do have our Europe, we have our North America, we have Oceania, and we have Asia. So particularly in Asia, we do have our Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. So around those areas, you can particularly visit our booth later on so that you can check out our flights that we are offering. So particularly for WTE or WTEX. So this is actually this is my second time meeting with Ma'am M or working with Ma'am M, since before I handled another airline, but now I'm a bigger airline na, di ba? Mas gusto natin airlines today. So particularly for this event, we do have around 15 to 30% of our flights going to Taiwan and going to Northern America. So if you're interested going to Northern America, particularly San Francisco, LAX, Seattle, Phoenix, Vancouver, and JFK, then this is the best time that you can book your tickets, ma'am, sir. I know you go mostly to those destinations for work, for incentive, for family purposes. So for this time around, you can book your tickets there. Okay, you can inquire. It is also available online, but you can still book in our booth since I have my agents there for 14, 15, and 16. Right, madam? Sakto.
Probably one unusual participating institution to the World Travel Expo. We are not a travel agency, we are not a hotel, we are not a resort, but we are offering immigration consultancy for Filipinos who wish to consider New Zealand as a destination. We will be offering a totally different perspective to the event. And thank you for allowing this to happen.
So actually, what I can say about China Airlines is we're a full-service airline. So we do have our food already, with our baggage already. And Taiwan right now is a very, very beautiful place to go for a vacation. And the food is very yummy. It is also cheap. The people is very hospitable also. Just like Pinoys, as we all know, we are very, very prone to say, sama na ilang service, oy, diba? But we do have, for Taiwanese people, they are very, very hospitable, very welcoming. And I hope everybody get to go again, if naka-go na, go again in Taiwan and enjoy Taiwan. Okay, then not only Taiwan, but also enjoy North America, Europe, Oceania, Japan. We all do go, New Zealand. We do go to those destinations as well, not only Taiwan. So out Cebu, out Manila, via Taipei, Taipei to the world. Thank you so much, Sir Carlo.
Thank you.
The World Travel Expo. So, our envision a B2B outside the country because yun nga, we want to promote more, especially in the Philippines, yung inbound natin, no? So, normally ngayon puro outbound because yung prices natin na compare with other, of course, flights going outside the country. So, we started planning this mga around March. So, since this is our 10th year, so sabi namin, maybe we can take this opportunity also to promote WTE outside the country. So, of course, the name WTE Asia 2027, that would be on September 8 to 10, 2027 at QSNCC, that's Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. So, ayun, this will be a B2B, so it will be, of course, we are getting sellers coming from different countries around the world. Of course, we want Philippines to be there. So, for more details, of course, our account manager is here, Miss Jane Eronan, to give more details later on. Yun pong website namin is ongoing na, but we have the social media platform already. We have the LinkedIn and Facebook page. That's WTE Asia. So,
go! See you on August 14, 15, and 16!
Okay, guys.